Hello everybody! Today I'll be practicing again my quilling skills, of course, but adding to that, I'll be practicing some skills that are practically non existent. I'm talking about my drawing skills, so I'll try to do my best to get the final result closer to reality as possible, since I did not have anything else at hand to make it except some paper, quilling tool, a comb, the glue, and the permanent black marker. And the result should be a cat keychain. I started by gluing some strips together. Then I began rolling them into a coil as tight as possible, but making sure I can first take it off my quilling tool. I continued to roll strips until I got to the desired size. Make sure you have enough of them at hand, since you don't want to run out of a certain color in the middle of your project. Now I'm going to fabricate a pair of ears, and I'll be using the comb to do that, making a circle looping formed in my case from 3 paper strips. We'll then bend it in 2 almost equal parts, squeezing well the middle part that was bent. These are my ears, the cat's ears, so what we have to do next is glue them on the head, trying to be symmetrical, at least a little bit. Please don't laugh at what I'm about to do next, because I need a pair of eyes, and I don't have any that can match my cat, so I just got inspired from the huge internet and I drew 2 of these. What you don't see here is the fact that this took me like half an hour, and the eyes were too small, so I started making new ones, a little bigger the second time. After gluing them in place, I started drawing again to make a nose and a small cat mouth this time. Again, I had to check some pictures a dozen times while drawing, because I really don't know how to draw, and it was a difficult job for me. I cut it and glued it also. Then I went on to making some, guess what, whiskers. And because I'm out of black paper, I colored them with a permanent black marker. Now I present you some real whiskers too, to compare the ones I drew with. Extra, you get to see some fur, tail, paws, and some real size ears. Back to our miniature cat, after gluing the whiskers, I started making a round coil because I need something to attach my ring keychains onto. Make sure you have enough surface to glue on, as you want the attachment point to be strong, so you don't lose the keychain. Lucky me, I have all the tools I need, and I also have a good and strong glue, so my cat keychain is ready. Hope you like what came out of the hands of a person that literally cannot draw, and I'm not joking. Today was a bit of a test for my new video equipment and studio setup also, and I'm sure you can see the image quality improvement as well. It will take me a little bit of time to get used to it, but I always want better quality video, so it will be all worth it in the end. My drawing may not be perfect, but it is all I could do, and you should be resourceful in all kinds of situations, because not all the time we have a craft store nearby to buy what we need, or maybe we want to do things on low budget, and this involves being creative and not spending extra money. Hope you liked today's video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. See you next time. Take care.